Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for electricians, DIY enthusiasts, and homeowners alike. The Klein Tools ET450 Advanced Circuit Breaker Finder and Wire Tracer Kit. This product has earned its reputation as the best Klein Breaker Finder on the market. And in this video, we'll explore its impressive features, functionality, and why it stands out among its competitors. The Klein Tools ET450 is designed for tracing energized and non-energized circuits. Whether you're dealing with breakers, fuses, or wires, this advanced kit ensures reliable and accurate tracing. It combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design, making it accessible for both professionals and novices. First off, let's talk about reliability. The ET450 is built to deliver dependable performance, allowing users to trace circuits effortlessly. With adjustable sensitivity, you can easily modify the receiver to detect signals through various materials, such as drywall and cement blocks, or even underground wires. This feature is crucial for anyone working in environments where wires are hidden or difficult to access. Another standout feature is the signal strength indication. The receiver provides both audible and visual feedback, allowing users to determine the strength of the signal. This helps in pinpointing the exact location of the wire or breaker you're tracing, enhancing efficiency and accuracy during your work. The Klein ET450 also boasts a built-in flashlight, perfect for those low-light areas where visibility is key. And if safety is a priority for you, you'll appreciate the non-contact voltage (NCV) function. This allows you to test wire energization without direct contact, making your work not only easier but also safer. Additionally, the transmitter includes external voltage indicators, which can identify voltage levels ranging from 12 volts to 480 volts. This versatility makes it a great tool for various electrical tasks, ensuring you're equipped to handle different scenarios. When you purchase the ET450, you get a complete package that includes everything you need to get started right away. The kit contains a transmitter, receiver, alligator clips, various LED adapters, and a sturdy carrying case for easy transport and storage. This comprehensive setup ensures that you have all the necessary tools at your fingertips, making your work more efficient. So, who can benefit from the Klein Tools ET450? A homeowner trying to locate a wire for renovation, or a DIY enthusiast looking to enhance your toolkit, this circuit breaker finder is ideal for you. Its versatility allows it to be used for tracing wires, conduits, and even isolating a single wire within a bundle. In conclusion, the Klein Tools ET450 Advanced Circuit Breaker Finder and Wire Tracer Kit is a top-notch tool that stands out for its reliability, versatility, and ease of use. Whether you're in a professional setting or tackling home improvement projects, this product is designed to make your electrical tasks easier and safer. If you're looking to invest in a reliable circuit breaker finder, the ET450 should be at the top of your list. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product reviews and insights. See you in the next video.